Hey peeps, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing an office tour. This office tour is the tour where I'm going to be showing you guys how everything is, set up nice the way I want it to be. There is going to be another office tour later on in the year because there are a couple more things I need to kind of like spice up, and I have been showing you guys on Instagram sneak peeks of the office tour, you guys. So if you guys are curious of what my office looks like, I can hope that you guys continue to watch, and thank you guys for stumbling across this video because this office tour was manifested for a long period of time. I started doing social media influencing when I was back at home in my tight little room. I did not know how I made it in there, but at the end of the video I want to share with you guys what my room at home looks like now since I moved out of that room, you guys. And yes, you guys, it's going on 2 years and I kind of like the way my office is currently, but there's still a couple of things that I need to kind of like tidy up in the office itself, so you guys can actually see the process of that on my vlog channel. I'm going to be vlogging that really soon. And yeah, this is like what all the magic happened, where all the magic happened. So if you're new, hi, welcome. Once again, I'm Beauty by Diana D. You probably found me on TikTok, you probably found me on IG, and you probably found me here. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification. I call my family peeps, so y'all like my fam, my peeps. Yeah, so happy new year. I haven't said that on this channel, so I know I'm a little late, but I haven't said it. But yeah, without any further ado, let's hop right on. So this is the door. My bedroom is here, and this is the door where you go to as far as entering the office. Behind the door you have is this beautiful keychain I did get from Five Below for $3. I will have the picture posted on the screen if you're curious of what it's called, because I'm terrible with names and I don't want to try to butcher nothing that you guys I really want to be interested in. So I will have the images popped up, but this was like in a little $3 section. So here is this nice little decor I got from Burlington. I love the fabric. The fabric is very soft, you guys, and it's very soft. I love the detailing. It's giving very boho farmhouse theme. So I thought this would fit perfectly on the wall. And I got these picture frames from Dollar Tree. These was like $5 each. So I paid $15 for these frames. And then the picture I got from Amazon is kind of like prints. So the prints was just prints, and I had put the frame around it, and the paper was very like fragile, gentle. So I had to get creative and figure out a way where I could actually make these stand out. And these are African American prints, boho theme, as you guys can see, the flowers and then everything like that. And there's the closet. This is the closet where I keep some of my, and it's very like neat for my liking compared to any other closets that I have. So I have some of my outfits here, some bags here, and then I have my small business boxes, Raquel Cosmetics boxes from brands that wanted to collab with me in the past. Shoe rack. I have makeup brushes back here, YouTube backdrops, and my wigs. Everything I need. So that's that for that area of the office. I have this beautiful stand. So I got this stand from Goodwill, and it was red, it was burgundy, it was like a cherry stand, and I was like, this doesn't match my, actually I need to spray paint it a little bit more, but as you can see, that's the original color for the stand. So I was like, I need to get something. My mom went to Home Depot. And she found an ivory spray paint, and we spray painted it, and this is what it turned out to be. So this is the stand. I was so happy that I finally got it the way I want to. I got my little dollar snow that I got from the dollar store. This I have this like chain here is this chain is from Hobby Lobby. Have a Little Faith is from Burlington Coat Factory. And then this one was from the Dollar Tree. This is like winter tree, Christmas tree, and then my candle is from Hobby Lobby. This was also from the dollar store. No, actually, this lamp is from Five Below. This vase is from At Home. And then the decor here is from Walmart. And then the grass is from Five Below. These curtains are from this place in Belmont, North Carolina. I love the place. I'll ask my mom what it's called, and I'll have it linked below if you decide to come visit North Carolina. So I got these ivory and green curtains, and then I got all of my dossier boxes. I have more dossier boxes, but there was just too much to put here because, as you can see, the dossier collection, and then these storage bins from IKEA. That's from IKEA. That's from Big Lots. And then that back there is from Target. This is from the Dollar Tree, Target. This sign here was from Burlington. I always have to thank God whenever I'm doing something because it is God's grace. It was God's grace. So this one, I believe this was from Target. Target. Target, the dollar store. My influencer boxes. And then the plant here is from Burlington. This trash can here is from Burlington. This desk is from Amazon. I use my iMac to edit. This chair is from Big Lots. This chair was actually in my room back at home. The plants are from Burlington. This cup is from my bestie. And then I got these little gold things here from Home Goods, yes. And my little planner was like a little gift, my little notepad. And then I got my little cup my bestie gave me, and I have a cop chart just in case if I need one. And then my bestie, look at that, how cute! It's supposed to be Donna and Deanna. How cute! And it says on the back, not Sisters by Bud, but by Heart. This is like my work area. This is where I sit down, edit. And I got this placement mat from Amazon. And then my makeup area, which is very tragic. Which is very, very tragic. It's not organized. I'm going to get definitely a better stand. So, and those are my lights. I got my lights from Amazon. My mirror is her classroom stand. She's a teacher. And she didn't want to have that silver theme anymore. So she just donated her stand to me. The plants are from IKEA, but actually the plant holder is from IKEA, but these are from Burlington. And then I got this printer for free, and it works. I just don't know how to connect it. I need to figure that out. And I always have like extra brushes to the side. Here, my makeup is area, so you guys can see. I will definitely get a new stand and figure my life out with that. And yeah, I have this little nice little stands here are from Burlington. And that's from Five Below. And then this corner here is from, so most of this is kind of like a DIY. Okay. The marble is from the Dollar Tree. This plant is from Burlington. Five Below. Hobby Lobby, the candle. Hobby Lobby, the beads off of that plant. Burlington Avena birthstones. And then this whole table was from Five Below. The poster was from Five Below. Burlington Coat Factory for the fabric. So soft. And this is from IKEA. Oh gosh. I'm going to tell you guys about the story. I looked all over for lamps. I mean, not a lamp. Excuse me. A mirror. I looked all over for a mirror. Amazon. I purchased a $30 mirror. The link was a scam because it never showed up to my door. I was like, $30. So I kind of got it reimbursed because I contacted the Amazon company. They took care of it. But I went to Five Below. Don't sleep on Five Below, y'all. I got this for $8. $8. That is a big major half off that I was going to actually pay for the actual mirror itself. These prints are from Amazon. I did the same exact thing that I did on this wall for this wall, and then my little calendar I got from Target in a little dollar section, And then this little candle, this little light thing. Well, not light thing. What am I saying? This little decor sign is definitely from Target, and I just put 2 little candles up there. This is my office. This is my, oh yes, I forgot to mention, the rug is from Five Below. By the way, Five Below have great farm housing theme stuff, if you guys are into stuff like that. But this is my office. That is the office, you guys. This office is everything for me. I love a good, homey, relaxed office. I enjoy working in the office. No, this is not a ring that you might think. This is a ring that I am, you know, rocking for a brand. You know, I love jewelry. So, and then this is also from that same brand. So this is not what you're thinking, you guys. So I'm still single as ever. But anyways, you guys, that's it for today's video. I gotta go, and I will chat with you soon. Bye.